Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So the last video I did we looked at 1 point perspective. So if you want to watch that video beforehand, if you haven't watched it already, then I advise that you do. So we're going to do a 2 points perspective drawing today. So it's slightly different. So what you're going to do is you're going to need a ruler. Again, like the first video, rulers are really important. And you're going to draw a line near the edge of the paper, like so. Again, I'm pressing really hard on my page so that you guys can see the line properly, but I advise that you go as light as possible because you'll be rubbing out these lines later. And then you're going to go the other side and do the same line on the opposite, so you'll have something like this. Okay, so then you're going to do an X here and an X here. So I'm just going to line it up so that they're even. So these are going to be my two vanishing points. And then this is the next thing. So you're going to draw a line in the middle. Now you can either do a line in the middle or you can do it offside or the other side. Whichever line you draw and wherever you draw it, it will make the perspective a lot different. So you can have a go and experiment of what different types of angles you can do afterwards. I'm going to do mine slightly off the middle today. So there's my line. So it kind of looks like a tennis match or something now. But anyway, so now you're going to draw a line. So you're going to point to the vanishing point and you're going to go and create a line like so, and then you're going to connect to that line and the other vanishing point. So you have something like this. And then you're going to go the other way. So I'm going to do it like this. And again, whichever angle you do it, the different outcome you'll get. So I'm going to draw a line here. And then finally draw a line here. So it kind of looks like a diamond or a kite shape now, and at the moment it kind of looks a bit unusual, but it'll make a lot more sense later. So I'm going to do some sort of corner shot. So I'm going to draw a roof. So I'm going to do another line at the top and then another line here. Now now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a line so it looks more like an unusual square rather than a diamond. And this picture will start to take shape in a moment. Here you go. And then if you want, you can rub out these parts because you won't really need this bit anymore. I think I'll keep this line here though, because that could be the footpath towards the shop. Okay, so to make this look more like a roof, I'm just going to slant it a little bit so it looks like a sloped roof. I'll rub those bits out. And now it's time for the windows. So Again, I'm going to go and point to the vanishing point, and I'm going to draw a line, and then I'm going to slide my ruler down a little bit until I do the bottom windows, and then you're going to separate them, making sure your ruler's straight. Like so, and then you got some windows there. I'm going to create some window frames, so again you go back to the vanishing point like so, and then you can draw the lines in the middle. Like so. I'm going to do it on the other side now, so I'm going to go to the vanishing point and I'm going to draw another line and then slide up and draw another like so, and then it's just the same process, making sure that your straight lines are as straight as possible. Like so. Now hopefully you'll start to understand the kind of process that you do for 2-point perspective, and I actually prefer this one to the 1-point perspective. You can do a lot more with the image. I'm now going to draw a shop door, so I'm going to do the shop door here. So back to the vanishing point, I'm going to slide it until I'm happy with where I want my door to be. I'm going to have it there, and then straight line down like so, and then just draw, I'm going to draw some door handles. So I'm going to go back to the vanishing point and draw some handles there. Like so. And I'm just going to draw the window, the door frame, should I say, rather. Oops. Don't do that. Good thing this is the reason why you use a pencil. There you go. So, shop doors. I'm going to draw some big windows now, which will be the shop window display. So it's going to be a super big window. Up there are going to be offices. There you go. And I'm just going to draw window frames. Like so. And then you could have some shop mannequins or something in there. Okay, so it's quite apparent now that this is definitely a shop. I'm going to draw some roof tiles, like so. Roof tiles. Okay, so these are my roof tiles. Go, so I'm now going to do the footpath. So again, viewpoint. Like so. And then you can add some details, like you can add the trees. This could be the road. So I'm going to do it so it's sort of in the corner. Okay, so this is a basic 2-point perspective. I hope this video was informative for you, and I hope that you'll get an idea of what you can do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video now. I'm going to use a marker pen to line it all in, I'll colour it, and then I'll show you guys what the final outcome will be. Okay, so this is what my drawing looks like now that I've coloured it in roughly. My Defaulted pen started running out, so never mind. Hopefully you'll get an idea of what it'll look like, and I hope this video was informative for you. So thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.